All right, guys, the time has finally come. Finally, gonna get the big brake kit ready for the M3. Been talking about doing this since I bought the car. Definitely need it. The OEM brakes are worn out already, and I figured why not upgrade them. So, you know, everybody does the Porsche setup. Going with the 135i Brembos and new competition rotors. Oh, you might be wondering why I got everything laid out with these faces. I'm going to be painting them. Calipers are going to be Laguna Seca Blue. The rotor hats I'm going to paint satin black, and I figured while I'm at it, let me paint the style 5s for the E46. Might be wondering why I'm not powder coating. 1, don't feel like breaking them apart and rebuilding them. 2, I wanted them now. And 3, I wanted to match the roll bar. I know it's a mess in here or whatever. Weather's finally breaking, so it's time to get to work because I'm not gonna be in the garage all summer. I'm trying to enjoy this here, so you know what time it is. Let's get to work. Alright guys, just finished laying a couple coats of primer. Taped off the rotor disc so I can paint the hats. Not too bad, could be better, but to be honest, it just breaks. Not like I'm painting a fender, they're gonna most likely get messed up. It's starting to see a lot of highway driving, like a lot. I use this flame-proof VHT primer because I know brakes do get a little bit hot. I will be using regular automotive paint sprayed out of my paint gun and clear coat as well. So it should stick and last. Like, I'm not gonna be tracking the car this year, and if I do, most likely gonna get them powder coated because I know people always complain. They say, oh, 135 calipers, not good. The ceramic pistons, they crack. They got replacement for that. I'll get them if need be. It's not that big a deal. Probably do it over the winter next year, but I need brakes now and they're going on now. These calipers have low miles on them. All the seals, all the pistons look good, so why bother doing that now? Like, why? They're going on the car. Long story short, they're going on the car. Got braided hoses, new pads, new fluid. They're going on the car. Done deal. But we'll get these a few minutes to dry. And paint them, hopefully they come out halfway decent. I actually am going to paint the hats Laguna Seca Blue as well. I wasn't going to do the satin black, but when I don't want overspray with a different color, hence why I just decided to scrap the style 5s for today, and I'll do it another time. And I'm kind of curious how it would look. If it looks too tacky, I could always just spray them satin black while they're on the car. It's not that big a deal. But since I already got the Laguna Seca Blue paint mixed, why not send it? So, alright guys, paint is mixed. Spray gun's cleaned. Just finished out draining the tank. And set up the vent fan because it does get pretty dusty in here. Respirator's right there. A lot of people ask me what setup am I running. I got an Eastwood Concourse 2 gun and Husky 30-gallon odorless air tank. Pretty small. Gun has a low CFM. Gun cost about $200. The air tank was about $350. Did create this water trap that was about another $100. So it's pretty much a very, very, very basic setup. I'm by no means a professional at all. I'm still learning. So one, don't ask me to paint your stuff because I'm still learning. I don't want to mess your stuff up. I'd rather mess my own stuff up. And 2, I work full time. I can't be messing with other people's cars. I still got my own stuff to do. Look at this thing. Still nowhere you're done. Nowhere you're done with that. E46 is in the street. My sister also uses the garage. She has her E36, which is gonna get painted next. But a lot of work to be done. So yeah, don't ask me to do your work. I'm too busy. Anyways, hopefully this lays out good. Going to spray the base, let it dry, apply the Brembo decals that I have for the calipers. Let it sit for a couple hours. Then spray the clear. Probably gonna let it cure all weeks. My next day off is Friday, so hopefully I can put them on Friday. Hopefully all goes well. Hopefully I don't scratch them up too much. Hopefully they work well. I mean, you never know. Anything's possible. All right, let's go. All right, guys, it's late, but the calipers are done. I let them dry for a few hours. They came out amazing. I'm no professional. They could be better. To me, they came out amazing. I love them. Just look at these. Oh my God. Don't know how I feel about the rotor top hats being done. Like the quality came out good. Might be a little bit of overkill. Might just rattle can them satin black if I don't like it, whatever. Not that hard. But the calipers themselves, oh my God. What a difference. I did lay the decals on first before clear. So the clear is over all of it. It just looks great. Roll bars color matched. Probably gonna re-clear it. Don't like the clear coat that I use. These are different stuff. And first time trying it, and it sucks. So probably gonna re-clear this. Put this back in the car. We'll put this on the car. Hopefully they clear the brakes. Put this back in the car, and hopefully do this little manual swap all at the same time. Probably not gonna happen, but I would like for it to happen. And I got these little sticky federals I'm gonna put on too and then get in alignment. I just hope I have enough space to clear these brakes. Looks pretty good to me, but you never know. Always bound to run into a problem here and there, so fingers crossed I could get this done soon. It's early in the season, so I don't want to rush too much, but I'm trying to hit up every event. I'm trying to go everywhere, meets, car shows, whatever, track days. Even if I'm not like participating at the track days, I just want to go. Like, I'm trying to enjoy this year. COVID obviously sucked for all of us, and I'm not dealing with the same thing this year. So it's gonna be a good time. God willing, it's gonna be a good time. But wow, we are off to a great start here. Beautiful. I'm out. Hopefully, you catch me in about 4 days putting these on the car with good news. If not, I'll be screaming as per usual. So peace.